Yeah. I just woke up. All this season heat period. You can see right now I'm not in my house. Traveled out of my house. I'm somewhere. This is where I lodge. I want to just take you for you. This is the bed. Bed is very big. Bed is 12, is it 12 by 12. Family size. Big bed. Not even so table there. Toilet is here. No place for me to put the bag is here. I have three bags. No four. I do not want to sit down. So, like I always said to you, me what I do here normally. That's what I stream. Yesterday when I was coming, I have two phones. And when I was coming, I slept off. So now, those of you that watch my videos, welcome. Thank you for joining. So I had two phones. I had two phones. So I opened my bag. I opened my bag. So as I was sleeping, you know that kind of sleeping when you want to sleep in a car. Funny enough, I was the only one that was sitting on the front seat. So I had two phones, like this one and the other one that I'm streaming on. So this is what happened. I tried to, like, in my mind, I dropped two phones here. This is where I know that one of my phone fell and the other one was in the bag. All this while I thought my phone was here. So when I go home, when I got to the hotel, and I wanted to use this phone, I couldn't find it. But I was like, okay, the phone is still in the bag. I tried to search it, I looked for it, I couldn't find it. So disturbed. But God being so kind, tried to call the driver. I went to the park so that get the driver's number. Those people at the park, they are good people. So they helped me to get the driver and I called his number. He gave me another driver's number. So I called, but I said he did not see it. So I was calling my phone. The next thing I also let me just call my phone. I tried calling my phone again. The next thing we picked. I said phone. When he went there, he saw the phone, so he quickly picked the phone. When he said I should come, they are somewhere drinking, so that I should come. And when I went there, the money was just 2,600. This one is it's about 250,000. So when I went there, I paid for the drink and they gave me the phone. I was so you know, to me, um, those drivers here in Benue State, what they did to me, shocking to me. Because sometimes, hello, good morning, how you doing? So it was shocking to me for him to give me. For me, I know that those drivers, I have not stole somebody from before. This is my second time of missing my phone. So, funny enough, all my bank, this is where they are. But I'm happy that I got this phone. I'm happy, happy, happy. So that's what happened to me yesterday. Can I say there was a lost? There was no lost. So I found it. And, me anytime I miss anything, if I lost anything, don't if my mind is rest. If my mind is at rest, I don't feel anything. I always believe that it will come back. Like joke. One came back and look at me here. Thank God. So to you where you're watching me from, let me know. Good morning. Yeah, what part of the world? Like I said, me, I'll be streaming here regularly, like almost every day. Every day I'll be streaming, talking about me, what I do. I don't want to go out talking about something I don't know. I know myself a bit. So going about talking about it, I don't know. That's my life. What you expect on this channel, upcoming film producer, working on my film, just 3 short film. Editor is still editing the film, and then the film will soon come out. All of us will watch here on this YouTube channel. So if I were you, I'll subscribe to this channel. I said, this is my hotel room. I'll be staying in this room for 5 to 6 days. So sometimes my live stream will be outside, and live stream will be inside here in this room. So thank you, every one of you. Those of you that are watching, should I throw this closer to me? No, somebody can hear me. So thank you so very much for streaming with me. Yeah, I really need your support, guys. I need your support. Here and then supporting me. Good. And subscribe to my channel, comment, and don't be shy to say anything. If you want to comment, just comment, and we'll talk. Yeah, it's good for us to have a conversation with each other, talk to each other. Hence, it's always good for us to know where you are watching from. Hence, people come and don't want people to know where they're good for us for you to tell me where you are watching me from. Somebody will say, I'm watching you. I hope my audio is good. I just say, okay, let me use this mic today. Who wants to see my background? See? Hello. How are you? Say hello, sir. Collins. Collins, how are you? How are you doing today? Thank you for joining. Collins, where are you streaming from? Like I said, you see this, the hotel, there's no way for me to put my bag. See my traveling bags. Can you see that? This is my camera bag. Laptop. This is my other camera from Nairobi. Okay, how is Nairobi today? So this is my camera, Pocket 3. This is my Pocket 3. I love it. And sometimes I'll be using it to stream here on this platform. A good camera from Nairobi. How is Nairobi today? So you see this bed is a big funny bed. Can you look at it? Very big. Very, very big. Even if I sleep on top, I'll not be able to finish. Police, what do you do for a living? Actually, I have a question. All right. What's the question? Say it out. I'm listening, bro. So you see, this is bed. So I have this light. Somebody took my light yesterday, so I have to borrow this light. So, okay, the table is dirty. This is the water I drank yesterday. This is it. Finish. So the bathroom is there. That's the bathroom. That's the bathroom. And see, this is what's this? What do you have here? Oh, my soap. Yeah, that's the soap that I bought. The other This is my mic stand. I have not fixed it. That's my laptop. The food I ate yesterday, the plate is here. Just give me this little table for me to using. But the challenge is I don't have a rope so where I can put my bag. So I just drop it to the floor there. Oh. Okay. We got notified that what? Let's see. Collins is asking a question. I got notified that I have reached 3K watch, but they did not add. So if you have a notification that you've reached 3K, that's they are telling you that you are almost there. And I believe the stretch hold now is 4,000, right? So you have to wait. Okay. You should keep posting, don't stop, and just wait, or you can still update your YouTube studio. If you update your YouTube studio, you'll be able to know exactly what's going on. Sometimes those apps needs to update your this is update. You need to update your YouTube studio. How what is going on? Don't update it, you will lose so many things. So that's why it's good to update your app. And so the target should, yeah, you have watch hour, but it's always good for you to have more. Right? They'll say, okay, now I have 4,000, so I will rest. They have 4,000, then the journey still begins. Yeah. There's something to do. Yes. Here in Nigeria, let me just explain. Here in Nigeria, after getting your watch hour, then YouTube will say, okay, hello from Mozambique. Homo from Mozambique. How is Mozambique today? Mozambique, love you, Mozambique. So you will, let's see, remember the thing. You will write, YouTube will tell you, okay, now you have reached, you have been monetized. So after monetization, things that you need to still do. So they will send you a code. And sometimes, funny enough, in Nigeria, when they send you that pin from YouTube, the pin will not come to your address. That's what they do in Nigeria. I don't know about other places. Right? So once YouTube send a pin, the pin will not come straight to you. It will go. It will go to the post office. So when YouTube tells you that they have sent a pin, you have to go to the post office that is close to you to check for your. When you get there, you check. You tell them that you are expecting a pin, put it on that. Now, after that, to have a dollar account. My friend from Mozambique, how is Mozambique? I always see Mozambique on videos. Beautiful, very beautiful. So after that, then you need to get which one is that's that. I hope I've answered your question. I've said much. Oh my god, it's crazy. I just woke up this morning. Yeah. And the reason why I turn my shirt like this upside down because I'm wearing yeah, that's it. Guys, welcome. Thank you for joining. Let's know where you're watching it. My name is Akilesh Watabe. To me, right here. All welcome. And I have a lot of people who watch me regularly. Hate you. Tell you there's no live streaming here. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Always subscribe to this channel. And basically, I talk about, and I know a little bit about YouTube. Right now, we're running a program on YouTube, a 3 months program. It'll be great. And today, tomorrow is 24th here. We still have our meeting, and whatever I learn, I'll always come to you, tell you, so that some of you that YouTubers and just upcoming YouTubers share with you what I've learned program YouTube Optimal. So it's a great thing. Me, I love live streaming. Yeah, I love what I do on this channel. I have some films that I produce, upcoming film producer here. Have some just 3 short films, editing them. Then one should be ready maybe before 14th. A good film. I love telling African stories. Ah, our story. Tell your story. Who will tell you? Telling African story. Let people understand. Let people understand what we do. That's what I do. Love it. And people are loving it. So, Collins, I believe you are still here. I don't know. If you are still here, say something in the comment section. You're welcome. So, so, say, I think those colors on this bed appear good in this video. Giving pink. What is this color? Blue, right? Like looks like sky blue or deep, not light blue. Colors here, I think so anytime I'm in this room, I'll try to use this space as my Mhm. Bum, 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 bum. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Bum, bum. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you. You're welcome. 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 You are welcome. I'm happy. You're welcome. 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 Yeah, I do short clips because my YouTube channel is going global. So, some videos is what it is. The truth is that for me, I Okundo, Okundo, Onde Doga. Yo yo ena. Okay. Uyala. Okay, okay. All right. What do? Kwaza yoga. We in the Tsaselam. We in the Tsaselam. Yo Zwa Wasara Je. Yo Zwa Wasara Je. Mpina me yo Zwa Wasara Je. Okay. All right. Oh, okay, cry. If you see Shunga, no, Kwaza yoga. I mean, network near you here. All right. I have 6 likes. You know, my Pocket 3, I love the Pocket 3. Last last week, no, yesterday I went for an event and then I have to use my Pocket 3 to take some pictures with it. And they came out nice, came out nice. Small but mighty. I love it. Pocket 3, this year Pocket 3. And if you're a creator, you need this. You need this. And there are some videos I shoot with this, and you look at them, you say, wow, this is Pocket 3. It's expensive. And some people don't like carrying their money to buy something. Some people say, why is it little and the price is like? This is a creator combo that has almost everything inside. Really, really enjoy this stuff. Anytime I'm using it, it makes me happy. Don't worry, I'll remove it and you guys will see. Really needs to see this stuff. Very good. Pocket 3. Pocket 3 to the world. I know there's Pocket 4 now, and it's Pocket 4, and so many people they are buying the Pocket 4, but I just got my Pocket 3, so why will I struggling to go to buy Pocket 4? Now the Pocket 4 will be better, but this one too is still better. Still using it, so it continues. So guys, let's see what we have here in this Pocket 3. Let's see. Pam pam, ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting you Pocket 3. And one thing I love about this Pocket 3, I'm still learning how to use it. Look at this. Small but mighty. Very small. It's a camera. One thing I love about this Pocket 3, you can use it as your webcam. Use this stuff as your webcam. Me, I tried it and it served me well. You know, I can use this and be streaming on my Facebook. Nobody will know. This is another battery for it. Not two, it's battery. Let me on it. That's my face. And this thing has face tracking. You can track your face anywhere you're going. So this one too, this battery here is another battery here. This is another extra battery. Then there's another battery here. It's another extra battery. So you have 3 battery. They call this particular one creator combo. And this is the base. This is the base. And he has a microphone. The microphone is beautiful, lovely. The sound is crazy. I love the sound. Has this is if you want to extend the lens to make that magnet that hold the And I know there's one thing. I think that's all for now. See, windshield, where you connect so that you put it in your hand. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, not pocket three. Now it's tracking my face. If I go down, watch it. Thousand. So, you can use it in portrait mode, landscape. Yeah, portrait mode and landscape. So, sometimes I have to use my phone. Though I can use my camera, R5. I can still use my R5 to shoot those. Boom. When I got this, you just take pictures too. Good pictures if you don't know. Creator, if you have need it for your content. Most of my skits I use this stuff to shoot. And the output is always spec. So DJ, I thank you for getting producing stuff like that for us. So this is another battery. I don't know why it's charging. Charging. Let me just charge it a bit. I always want to tie the base. Oh, I'm just starting my streaming, so I'll have programs here. This guy said, don't talk too much. So that is that. So maybe when I learn my stuff from YouTube, so by the time I go to the class tomorrow, whatever they are telling us, when I come, I'll be able to educate so many people here. Hi. YouTube, I think to give us that free stuff when you are streaming, you are playing your music. Now, this fan here almost affects us. Perhaps the heat was so. I was using the fan. I was using the fan and then so that my Collins from Kenya is my number one. All welcome. Hello. For your name. Chosen. 7-1. How you doing, man? I'm good. What about you? Where you streaming from, bro? Streaming from? Wait, okay. Where are you watching from? Where you watching from? From Pakistan. Pakistan, my friend from Pakistan. How is Pakistan today? Pakistan, I love Pakistan. I hope I will. Please greet everybody from Pakistan. Tell them all my Pakistanis. Right? Thank you for joining my friend from me here in Nigeria. Oh, like I said, which country are you from? I'm from Nigeria. Because I don't know whether I left my ATM at home. I have to look for it. I have to look for my ATM. I don't know whether I left it at home. Yeah, that's great. That's great too, bro. All the way from Pakistan. I'm looking for my ATM. I don't know whether that one too I misplaced it. Guys, you're welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from. How are you doing this morning? Well, I have studied my final. Right. I wish you the best. I wish you the best of luck. Right. And then you succeed. Thank you. I wish you the best of luck. Pakistan. Trust me. Best of luck, bro. Wish you the best of luck. I'm gonna fade that exam. Why did I even misplace my ATM? What I carried. Alone, my heart, desire and alone. You are and my strength and shield. And my spirit. The ATM is not here. Clothes. Big boy. That's another ATM, but not the one. That's not the ATM I'm looking for. For my wife and then if I don't see it, I'll go to the bank to do it. That's what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, I found it. Found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. Looking for anything, I thought I lost this. The ATM is here. Oh, I miss you, my ATM. Maybe, maybe I will succeed. Got my ATM. Thank you for helping me to search for my ATM. Toop, 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 toop. Thousand. Hey, how many did? 1,000. 1,000. It's part of exercise, you know. Part of exercise. I was shooting a film and then I couldn't finish it. So either we'll finish the two scenes tomorrow or today. But I'll have to call my team together and then let's see how we go about it. Ah, if you see my character. Hmm. Gang gang. Gang 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 gang. Hmm. Crazy. The only no. Nyama nyo boko. So good enough here. Bakwa station got some answer. So how are we going to play play film again? Generally. Yeah, we have to wait and look. Uh, hindi. Hindi. Organize. I'll be shoot here. Mm. No, kasi yasu yeshira gaza. Nguwe. So we need to finish the scene now. So that yes, now we're in but let's get all opinion now. Get everybody that is involved so that where we'll go and be an that's it will be the toss in one way one consider now. When they toss in one way Delia. Because stand up and buy me. She I don't know costume la. Yeah. Mm, okay. That machine. Okoforo. But he said my hand. Mm. Oh, I never pass you here. Thank you. So guys, let me show you my costume. I tell you this room does not have a wardrobe, so I have to just find a way to arrange my stuffs around. So I mean, to be honest with you, me, I'm this kind of person. House, wife that normally they always take care of my stuff. Is when it comes to not that I don't know how to arrange it. I want to arrange, I arrange. Most of the times, it's my wife that always help me out. Do most of the. I want to show you my sandals. One I got for my new film. Where is it? Let's see. Oh, baby. Yes. Oh, my dear, how are you? Fine, thank you. Hey, 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 where just tell me namre. The just tell me namre. I ira roti. I would just say, although I ira roti. I ira the offer you killing sympathy. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. An kwasa na dunya kira ndi ara yana. Owe no nya kira ga. And so do kida yan. Maybe 70,000 I sent to you. Yan kwa shunu hwa. Hwa na. Shall make sure you send me like 7K or be 3K. I don't know. 7K or 5K. I don't know. Yan wo hwa. Yan hibe kuda ka woku dido ga. Yan ba 10 fake via na. Woga. Yan po woku dido ga me ro dido. Maybe I phone again because I'm streaming on YouTube, so that's why may never busy her phone again. No, Shay. That's why you are here. Thank you. Bye, Yaga. Bye, Yaga. Yeah. But she more she in your army. Oh, cara, one of our turn. My wife. What? Wife did there now. Mm. That's good now. But I do have. I want to fight your final look was one now. Me they carry me steady, steady when I do. Yeah. That. Mm, mm. Yeah. For find each other. The way sound. On the my USC. Glory be to God. But in everything in plan the year now. Okay. Okay. So Van, you know, corner. Yeah. Your uncle come or so, so on the door me see uncle na. Ne ni yen ke gramata. They want to do examine yellow. Namun kalau kegiatan kana rubena. Mungkin lama zoti ye wa mo ka ku ne zoti. Zoti that's zoti very important. Zoti mu hang because you want zoti ye wa la ge kana wala mana.